They're so plush. This little part right here. Let me smell. Mmm.
Adventures with Maddox Cruze. Subscribe to our channel.
Mama lost them on purpose. And the ball just came right out of it because they weren't supposed to get water in it. But I think these are the other ones.
Nope. What is it? And y'all got new koalas. So tell me about these koalas and what do they do?
You heat them up in the oven and then you just get them when we walk at nighttime.
So you take these koalas and you put them in the microwave for 60 seconds and they become warm. They're a safe way to relax at night. Let's see, can you get it out?
Gosh, it's warm.
Look at your koala and it gives you instructions on heating it up. But I love a heating pad so much that the boys wanted something that they could heat up. And since I messed up the other koalas, here are the new ones. Let's go get your name on them, guys. All right, so here's our little koala, guys, that gives you instructions on how to do them. And then we just write our names on the tags. Why do we write your name on the tag, guys?
So we know which one is ours.
Yes, because at night, so we don't have an issue with whose is whose, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so there's yours. And then here is Cruze.
That's a frog. A froggy thing. How to catch flies. Mom!
So there's that.
There's your snack box delivery.
Boom. Now they'll be separated and amazing little fluff balls at night. You get a fun package. What do? You pop the poppers when your parents know that it's expected because that scares the junk out of me.
Okay, watch me. This is how I sleep, guys. When I am sleeping, I put my head right here, and my buddy's on Matt's face, and I sleep like this, and my feet are up like my head.
You sleep just like this. Oh.
Yeah, with my head right here.
Head's all the way down here. Booty's in your brother's face. Feet are on your pillow, so you sleep backwards.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I sleep like this. Let me take my shoes off first.
Mom, watch this.
This is how
No,
I sleep
Cruze.
at night.
Don't bat your stuffed animals.
Let's go in the dirty clothes.
All right, let's see. Oh, and your koala. Does your koala sleep just like that all night?
Mm-hmm.
Do you toss it on the floor in the middle of the night?
No.
I do. I do.
Yep.
Peekaboo.
So these koalas are the
Koala.
best.
Hey.
And these koalas smell like lavender and they're so plush. This little part right here. Let me smell. Mmm, that smells great. It's a lavender.
It smells like they already got warmed up.
It kind of does. Probably because it was in a warm truck. Liz, how much do you love them?
Seven!
Very much.
Hey! Yay! I got Mom, I'm making sure he doesn't fall by putting the covers on the back of him.
Okay, he looks snuggly.
Like mine.
Yeah, alright.
He can go. I put it under him, and he lays his head down like.
Good job. Perfect job, guys.
He wants to.
One at a time.
These koalas go in the microwave.
Yeah.
Right here.
Then
Hit
then
that
you
twice.
press this.
2 times. Hit it one more time.
Then you hit it one
Yep,
more
so do
time.
it. That's good. So down do 60 seconds.
And you
So it
need to hit it
counts
2
down.
times. 2 minutes.
While it's getting warm. Alright, and then what happens when you get them all warm?
You can rest.
Alright, let Cruze get it.
Then you open it. When it beeps, you open it. Then you take it out, and then it's gonna be warm.
How does it feel?
Good. It smells hot.
Mom, I started from 100.
Smell it.
Oh yeah, 100.
Smell
That's a
it.
minute.
Smell it.
60
Smell it.
seconds. Smell really good. Let me smell. Nice and lavendery.
Yeah. You smell it.
It's very strong.
Oh.
But it really helps soothe your latte.
Oh.
It is strong. But it's so good. I love it too.
I still smell it.
Here's Maddox's. Almost, almost, almost. It's ready! And boom!
This how I get snuggly. Like this.
Snuggle, snuggle. Perfect. All right, how do you snuggle up with yours? Snuggle.
No, actually, this how we snuggle. And this how we snuggle too.
You think all the other kids need a koala?
Yeah.
I think they come in other animals too, but koala was just a choice. Night, night. We'll see you in the morning.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.